Hi, my name is Aarthi. I'm 14 years old and I'm from South Barrington, Illinois. He's the friendly construction worker in my neighborhood. Rigo is such a hard worker and always puts a smile on his face, even through his trouble. If they were to receive $1,000, I hope Rigo would use the money to help put proper food on the table or to even pay rent. This money would also give Rigo an amazing boost in confidence and happiness. He deserves the money for his endless work and amazing effort. I VING because this is a great opportunity for me to give back to the people like Rigo who are always helping my family. I believe giving allows people to find a purpose by helping others. It also feels amazing to help put a smile on another person's face. Thank you. Hi, so Rigo's coming in 20 minutes and the surprise is going to be at my house. Since Rigo was busy in the morning, we invited him over. He doesn't know and he's going to be coming home in 20 minutes and we're super excited. I'm giving this money to Rigo since he is having trouble to make ends meet and it will really help him with his day-to-day needs. Rigo, you won $1,000. I signed you up for a project called the VING project, and I have to submit someone who is dedicated, hardworking, and really cares about his family, and you got selected to win $1,000.
Oh, thank you.
How do you feel about this?
Thank you. Thank you.
I hope you use this money to help your family.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.